How to transfer money using Bangkok Bank app. To transfer money using the Bangkok Bank app, launch the Bangkok Bank mobile banking application, and this is the interface you'll see. You can tap the Get Started button to begin registering and logging into your mobile banking account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Send Money option, then select a recipient via account number, prompt pay, or by scanning the QR code. After you've selected the recipient, enter the amount, review the details, and swipe to confirm. The app also supports scheduled transfers up to a year in advance. So you can select prompt pay and enter the mobile number, citizen ID, or tax ID. If you're transferring to bank account, choose other accounts and select the bank and enter the account number. If you're scanning a QR code, tap the scan QR code icon on the login screen or within the app to pay the merchants instantly. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.